redistribute shear node 7.
Torque treat now fluid is reaching.
The shear wheel integration, which is really to understand, will validate load distribution before phase 2 pour.
Section by hand, across an area bigger than a football pitch, 6 layers of rebar, 5 meters deep, the strongest foundation ever built for a building. 18,260 cubic meters of concrete pushing against the perimeter forms. The pressure of a dam wall. The pour starts at night. Cooler air. The concrete generates its own heat. It needs help staying controlled.
18,260 cubic meters of concrete poured without stopping. That is enough concrete to fill 7 Olympic swimming pools.
72 hours without stopping. Stop it, and you get a cold joint. A weakness buried forever. Too much heat and it cracks. Workers controlled the temperature inside this concrete for 28 days. 1 year of work. Invisible forever under everything that comes next. The hexagon.
Pressure's holding. Ramp up to 92%.
Concrete. 85 megapascal concrete, mixed on site, pumped immediately, poured and vibrated within 90 minutes of mixing. 1 floor every 4 days. The workers feel the platform rise beneath them. They don't see it happen. 3 wings, 3 jump forms, all climbing, all connected to the core at every single floor. Every floor, the wall angle changes, the rebar changes with it. Every floor is different from the last. Every batch tested before it leaves the plant. Substandard mix, rejected. No exceptions. 350 bar of pressure. Pushing concrete up 800 meters through a pipe the width of your arm.
This pipe carries concrete from here to 800 meters up. The concrete arrives at the top still workable.
2 floors.
Base 730, 3 power forward, 3 power, double check, seal. Check. Clear, round 9.
Structural integrity confirmed, 0 deflection. All systems nominal.
Jumper moves opposite, cancels it. Nobody feels it. Above the occupied floors, the wings stop. The core continues alone to 1,008 meters. Pure concrete reaching up.
The top 200 meters are structural spire only. No floors, no occupants.
59 elevator shafts, 5 double-deck cars, 10 meters per second. The fastest passenger elevators ever built. Elevator rails aligned to 1 millimeter over 500 meters. Workers do it by laser. There is no other way. Top floors pouring concrete, bottom floors installing pipes and wiring, 30 floors of fit-out simultaneously. Glass panels installed from inside, the only safe method at this height. 800 kilograms each, floor by floor, floor 100.
This 68-story 20-year LEED Platinum certification and direct transit access.
This isn't just development, it's district scale value creation.